Hello, in this video I will be showing you a method that I developed so that you can understand the metric system better than most people do. Let's get into it. You have seen, probably, on most rulers that display metric units, you will see those centimeters displayed next to the inches. But why is the centimeter displayed next to the inches while the system itself is called the metric system? Well, that is because the centimeter is a very convenient size for everyday use. The hand is about 20 centimeters from the tip of your finger to your wrists. And the centimeter is of a size that is easily counted by young children first learning about centimeters and how they work, or meters, the metric system basically. It's been drilled into us that there are 100 centimeters in a meter and that there are 10 millimeters in a centimeter, but this might not be so obvious to a non-metric person. So the centimeter. Centi is a prefix, and we can define C as a scalar value, and we can define that value to be 0.01, or if we want to use rationals, we can use 100. Now we can define m as a unit vector. So 1 meter could be seen as 1 times a meter. 2 meters could be seen as 2 times a meter. How do we go about converting our prefixed meters into meters? For example, the centimeter into the meter. Well, we could first see that we have 3 centimeters and separate it like we did earlier, 3 times a centimeter. Now we can further separate it into our scalar and our unit vector. So we have 3 times centi times meter. We remember that centi is 0.01. We replace our C with 0.01. We multiply 0.01 by 3 to get 0.03 times meter, which is 0.03 meters. Yes, that works. Centimeters to meters, quickly using rationals. We can see that 20 centimeters using a rational 100 would be 20 times 100 times meter, which would be 20 hundredths times a meter, which would be 2/10 times a meter, which would be 1/5 meter. Let's try the millimeter out. So the milli prefix is 0.001. And we know that 1,000 millimeters would be a meter. So let's try this. 1,000 times milli times meter would be 1,000 times 0.001 times meter. That would work out to 1 times a meter, which would be 1 meter. Yes, it really works. What about squares? A square centimeter. How would we work this out? From square centimeters to square meters. Well, we need to see that there should be parentheses around the centimeters. We then go ahead and do the same thing that we did before, seeing that there are multiplications. We remember that C is equal to 0.01. We replace it. We distribute our exponent according to the rules. We can disregard the parentheses in this case. We can work it out and see that 1 square centimeter would be 0.0001 square meters. Yes, it really works. What about cubes? 1 cubed centimeter. We put in the parentheses like we did in the previous example. We identify our multiplications. We remember the value of the scalar. We replace our prefix, the centi-scalar, distribute the exponent, disregard the parentheses, work out the maths, and we get that 1 square centimeter or 1 cube centimeter is 0.000001 cubed meter. It really works. It really cubed works. Here we have a table with all the prefixes and their values that can be found easily on Wikipedia. But I recommend that you learn some of these, especially those that are close to the meter. That would be the 1. Convert meters into prefixed meters. So, for example, meters into centimeters. I will show you the method in another video, part 2 of this method. Please share the video and thank you for watching.